Hello everyone! Today we are going to learn about colors, shapes and animals. Are you ready? Let's go! Let's take the glass of orange paint and pour it into the circle. Look at that! We have a bright orange circle. I'm going to dip a stamp in the orange paint. It's a lion. Let's press it on the paper. Look at that! He's so beautiful. But wait, today is his birthday. Happy birthday, Mr. Lion! You look so handsome. The lion has his first guest. It's Mr. Flamingo. Let's give him a festive hat and put the gifts on the side. Now, let's fill the triangle. Let's take the glass of green paint and pour it into the triangle. Look at that! We have a green triangle. I'm going to dip a stamp in the green paint. It's a turtle. Let's press it on the paper. Hello, Mrs. Turtle. Welcome to the party. Let's fill the square. Now let's take the glass of red paint and pour it into the square. Amazing! We have a lovely red square. I'm going to dip a stamp in the red paint. Fantastic! It's a tiger. Let's press it on the paper. Welcome to the party, Mr. Tiger. Thank you for the gift. Hello, Mr. Dog. Oh, more gifts, thank you. Let's fill the rhombus. Let's take the glass of yellow paint and pour it into the rhombus. Awesome! Look at that! We have a nice yellow rhombus. I'm going to dip a stamp in the yellow paint. It's a giraffe. Let's press it on the paper. Welcome to the party, Mr. Giraffe. Hello, Mr. Panda. Your gifts are so cute. Let's fill the oval. Now let's take the glass of blue paint and pour it into the oval. Fantastic! Look at that! We have a pretty blue oval. I'm going to dip a stamp in the blue paint. It's an elephant. Let's press it on the paper. Hello, Mrs. Elephant. Welcome to the party. Mrs. Owl, put on a festive hat. Thank you for your gifts. Finally, let's fill the rectangle. Let's take the glass of purple paint and pour it into the rectangle. Look at that! We have a pretty purple rectangle. I'm going to dip a stamp in the purple paint. It's a hippo. Let's press it on the paper. Welcome to the party, Mr. Hippo. Now we have the orange circle, the green triangle, the red square, the yellow rhombus, the blue oval, and the purple rectangle. They're so bright. Let's invite more friends to the lion's party. It's a monkey. Hello, Mr. Monkey. Welcome to the party. Mr. Alpaca, put on a festive hat. It's a dinosaur. Welcome! It's a cute red cat. Hello, Mrs. Cat. Thank you for the gift. It's a zebra. Welcome to the party. It's a bat. Hello, Mr. Bat. Pandas, welcome to the party. That's all. Everyone's here. Let's eat the cake and open the presents. So many amazing gifts. Thank you, friends. Let's start with the purple one. It's a cactus. So cute. It's flip-flops. They're so lovely. It's a camera. The lion will take pictures of his friends. It's a pineapple. It's usually yellow, but this one is colorful. It's a flower. So nice. Oh, this is a scooter. It's very useful. It's a mug. Oh, more flowers. So pretty. It's a surfboard. Glasses. Let's put them on the lion. It's ice cream. It's another cactus. Mr. Lion likes cactuses. That's a fun lemon. It's a colorful rainbow. It's a painting with mountains. It's amazing. It's a thermos. This is watermelon. It looks tasty. It's a carton of milk. It's so nice. That's a donut. Looks yummy. Wow, look at that! We've opened all the gifts from our friends. The lion is so happy and satisfied. That was so much fun. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.